Distinguished listeners, let's walk through enhancing your mobile device's security with the proper configuration of 7x Proxy VPN. This walkthrough will provide clear, actionable guidance for its optimal setup. To begin, access the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, precisely enter 7x Proxy VPN. Exercise diligence in verifying the application's authenticity by confirming the developer and icon prior to installation. Upon successful installation, initiate the application. Navigate to the menu, typically represented by a hamburger icon of 3 horizontal lines. Select Update, then check Update. This action ensures the application is operating with the most current server configurations and security protocols, essential for effective performance. Go to Servers. Here you can select a server to connect to the network. To simplify setup, select Auto Server. This will connect you to the optimal server nearest you. Next, select a way to connect. Choose All Country UDP. This is the most common connection method used. Finally, initiate the secure connection by tapping the Start button. Upon successful establishment of the VPN tunnel, your device's internet traffic will be encrypted and routed through a secure intermediary server, thereby mitigating the risks associated with unsecure public networks and enhancing your overall digital privacy. Wait for connection to complete. Once that is complete, you will see it on screen. By adhering to these guidelines, you significantly bolster the security posture of your mobile device, establishing a robust defense against potential cyber threats. Thank you for your attention.